Did you know that AWS literally gives you $200 in cloud credits absolutely for free? No hacks, no coupons, just free AWS money to build and experiment. In this video, I will show you how to get those free $200 step by step. And make sure you watch all of it, otherwise you might end up only with 100 free credits. On July 15, 2025, AWS has changed its so-called free tier, and now everyone who creates an AWS account gets $100 in credits instantly, and up to another 100 when you complete what they call builder quests. That's a total of 200 you can spend on anything: EC2, Lambda, Bedrock, S3, or hosting a website for your grandma. There is one caveat though: the credits are valid only for 6 months. But it is quite plenty of time to play with AWS or learn for a certification. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. Alright, so how to get those free $200 from AWS free tier? Well, first you need to press create account. Then you have to provide the root user email address and an account name. It can be anything. Then you need to confirm your email by providing verification code AWS will send you. Then you need to set your root user password, confirm it, and press continue. Then you need to choose your account plan, and of course we choose the free one. Next step is to provide your contact information, the name, address and everything. Next thing is provide your credit card number, and don't worry, AWS will charge you only $1 just to verify your credit card information. Next thing, you need to provide your phone number and verify it with the help of a verification code that AWS will send you. And that's it, your account has been created, congratulations, and as you can see, you have been already credited with $100. Free money, nice! Alright, let's start earning the other $100. Why not? First thing we can do is launch an instance using EC2, and to get 20. We press this one, we press start activity, and let's start creating our first EC2. First you give it a name, then you choose an image. Amazon Linux is fine, instance type T3 micro is fine, it's cheap. You can proceed without the keeper for now, everything else is good, and you press launch instance. Let's have a look at our instance. Okay, it's running, good. Let's have a look if we got our 20 bucks for that. One thing to note is that apparently they will credit you like in 30 minutes, so I guess I'll just wait for 30 minutes and have a look. Meanwhile, in order to stop the charges, we go back to EC2 and we pick our instance and we terminate it, pressing instance state terminate, so we don't get charged, because nothing is free anymore. You got your credits, but they start charging you right away. Isn't that nice? The launch an instance task has been completed and we got awarded with 20 bucks. Nice. Let's set up a cost budget next. Start activity. Alright, we have budget name, we have budgeted amount, and we need an email to get the billing alarms to. And we press create budget. Okay, budget is created and hopefully we will get credited with another 20 bucks. Yes, 40 already. What's next? Let's create an RDS database. Start activity. Yep, easy create is fine, Postgres is fine, all to generate password, and we press create database. It will take a little bit of time because databases are not very fast to create, and meanwhile we can do the next task. Let's create a Lambda, which is a serverless function. Yep, we can use a blueprint. We can name the Lambda my Lambda. Let's create a new role. Lambda code is fine. I understand, and create function. Cool, here is our brand new Lambda. Let's check, did we get paid for that? Cool, we got 20 bucks for an RDS, and hopefully soon we will get 20 bucks for Lambda as well. And the last but not the least is the fancy AI Amazon Bedrock. Let's do that. Start activity. Okay, what do we do here? We select model, right? Let's select Amazon and take Nova Lite, for example, and press apply. And let's try it out. Let's ask what is the best way to spend 200 AWS credits. Run. Pretty fast, but I think they should update their own models because 12 months free tier is no more. But yes, thanks for good advice, but have we got the money? Let's check. Yes, we got the full amount of $200 of free credits from AWS. Thank you very much. Just keep in mind that in 6 months they will expire, so use them wisely. So that's it! 200 of free AWS credits in just a few clicks. But don't forget to spend them within 6 months and then either upgrade to a paid plan or your account will be deleted. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more cloud hacks, and let me know in the comments what will you build with your free credits. Until next time, may your bills be 0 and your uptime 100. And may the cloud be with you. Always!